Night City FPV. It is a mod for a game called Cyberpunk. Now, I'm going to quickly show you this right here. Hopefully my computer doesn't explode. This is Cyberpunk. I haven't played this. I actually do have this on my wish list on Steam. It's just have a bit of an adventure in a futuristic sort of world. So think of like a Blade Runner type of environment. It's got a really, really cool city here. However, somebody has made a mod, and I'm going to link this in the description. Check this out. You can now, and it is a pretty gorgeous looking city, and the graphics of this game are absolutely insane. So you can now connect up your radio and cruise around inside Night City, which is cool. So the mod is called Night City FPV. And I think this really goes to show, like, it seems to be, this was only posted maybe an hour ago or something. I did see some original Reddit posts a couple of days ago, so I've been keeping an eye on it. And this looks really fun. And this is what I'm all about when it comes to a simulator. Simulators are a great tool, and I recommend them to everybody, which is why, like, I built my own simulator just to get people flying. But you need a different sim for different purposes. I think most of the time, if you're a really dedicated racer, you're going to want to use Velocidrone. But one of the reasons why I love games like Uncrashed or simulators like Uncrashed is because it's just fun. And now this is going to get people flying. Maybe they're like, oh, I've already got Cyberpunk. I don't want to buy a new sim. Maybe I'll just install it on this. I don't know what the physics are like. I don't have the game to test it, so I can't actually do that. But I mean, it's a pretty cool environment to fly around, and you would definitely be getting some skills, some muscle memory. Like, anything is better than nothing when it comes to FPV, and that's if you can use your radio, which you can do. When you go to have a look at this, and I was reading a post before from the author of this that it's been quarantined because of a suspicious file. That often, I believe that's like a false positive where they've put this up on Nexus Mods. This is the page that you'll need to go to get it, and it's got like a whole bunch of instructions here on how to do it and everything like that. I think they're working with the team just to be like, hey, we just want to double check what does this file do. I think it's the file that actually reads the radio to let you use this on here. So yeah, I don't know if you can download it at this second, but I think within like the next 24 hours, it looks like they're working through some of the parts here to get this, just some suspicious files will just become, you can download this once that gets all cleared up and everything like that. Now, I don't know, I can't vouch for this as well. I do not know this author. I just thought this was a cool little development that someone's put a lot of work into. And yeah, it looks pretty awesome. Like, would you fly around in this? What makes a good sim for you? Is it all about the graphics? Is it about the environments? Is it about the physics? Is it just about having fun? Is it about multiplayer? If you were going to get a sim right now, today, what would be the reason that you're going to get it? Like, what is the most important thing for you when you're going to buy a sim? Maybe it's the price, which is why I built one that was like, hey, here's a free simulator on DIY FPV. Maybe you've got a really dodgy computer that can't run anything, because this is definitely going to require a beefy computer as well. Cyberpunk is a pretty intense graphics heavy game. Johnny DRC says fun, and Philip is saying, oh, I got to start playing Cyberpunk again. Yeah, I definitely was interested. This sort of came out when I got the graphics card for my computer many years ago, but it had like a ton of bugs and everything, and I always said, oh, I'll wait. I'll just put it on a bit of a wish list, and I still haven't picked it up. Maybe one day. But this is pretty important. I've got written right here, you are valued. Is that right? Oh, of course that's right. Drones aside, this is for me to say to you that you are valued, that you are cared about, that you are part of this community. And even if you feel alone and isolated, I would like to say that there are still people out here who are thinking about you, who are proud of you, who are so, so grateful that you are here. And whatever you are going through right now, I would like to say that I believe in you. I'm proud of you. And I don't want you to feel alone. And I don't know exactly what it's like to feel alone and isolated. And you're not. You are not. Just personally, from me, I'm letting you know that you are cared about. I'm so grateful that you are here and that you keep going. And just thank you. Thank you for being you. because I believe in you. And we can be really kind to other people, but a lot of times we are not kind to ourselves. And when was the last time that you told yourself that you are awesome? Well, if it wasn't today, man, when was it? Was it last week? Or if you're starting to think, oh, when was the last time that I was kind to myself and I said something nice to myself? Because life has been tough and I've been really, if life has been hard on you, and maybe you've even been hard on you, this is me right now telling you that you're awesome. I'm proud of you. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of this community. And most of all, just thank you for being you. You have value.